Just got finished doing a tire plug. This is the tail end of it that you can see here. Just making a quick little video at the end of it just to make sure that there aren't any leaks. You always want to go back and check if there are any leaks, but it looks like we are good to go. You always have you a good pair of these to cut the ends off. I also use that to take that nail out. And then you want to take that to clean out your hole. And then you got your additional tool that you actually put in. So that's where you'll put the plug in and have that hole you just cleaned out. You'll just stab this through, pull it out really fast, and make sure you put it down there deep enough. And then double check for leaks, which it doesn't look like it's leaking at all. And then you're good to go.